Hello guys, welcome back to DailyTube channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the 7 best foot spa that are designed for different kinds of users in 2020. We will take into quality, fit and comfort, features, and price, so you can decide which is best for you. All the products on our list were selected based on their own inherent strengths and features, so if you want to know the last price and other more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want a video like this in the next episode. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting up with number 7, we have the Cariva's Foot Spa Massager. Currently priced $60, this foot massager will automatically heat to the specified temperature. You don't need to add hot water to ensure you get a warm foot massage. It has a 4-in-1 function, which integrates heating, massage, air bubbles, and infrared features to relieve fatigue and care for your feet. The diameter of this massager is 16.5 inches and even fits 15-inch feet, which is suitable for the whole family. Its 14 movable massage rollers provide a full range of massage to relieve fatigue for your feet. Also, the Infringer design effectively inhibits impurities in the water and keeps the foot massager clean. Plus, it has a bubble function, which can generate oxygen in the water to accelerate the circulation of water and warm your feet in all directions. On the other hand, the bath is equipped with a removable small box that can be used with the spa materials. Number 6, we have the Asavivi All-in-One Foot Spa. Come with $133, the Asavivi All-in-One Foot Spa Massager is made of good quality material and is stable for you to enjoy the foot spa and does a great job of working off the dead skin. You can use the red light heat to help remove the dangerous particles on your feet. Also, it can promote blood circulation, relieve fatigue, soreness, aching, and improve your metabolism to squeeze out bad particles from the body. Its water temperature can be set from 35 degrees Celsius to 48 degrees Celsius. The massage timer can be set from 10 to 60 minutes, and 30 minutes is suggested for a better foot massage experience. The sturdy design combined with overheating protection makes sure the multi-insulation protection provides reliable quality. Number 5, we have the Belmont Home Foot Spa. The Belmont Home Foot Spa features 6 underwater shiatsu rollers with invigorating air bubbles that let you experience a spa-like treatment in the comfort of your own home. The relaxing sound of the bubbling water along with its back benefits gives you the rest of a home spa experience while providing cleansing as they circulate across your skin. It comes with wheels that allow you to move the footpath without lifting or dragging at the same time. It's equipped with a drain pipe for easy draining. Additionally, it provides loofah discs so that you can soften and rejuvenate your skin through gentle exfoliation. Plus, the infrared light kills germs on contact, leaving your feet refreshed. Moreover, you can place your favorite bath salts in the dedicated salt/herb diffuser for a tension melting session. Number 4, we have the MaxCare Foot Massager. Price at $62, the MaxCare Foot Massager is a 3-in-1 foot massager that includes a heating function for a warm foot spa that relieves fatigue and calming bubbles that genuinely pamper your feet. At 13.7 inches in diameter, it even fits men's feet up to size 15, and the bubbles reduce pressure while providing a massage. Also, it has 4 removable massaging rollers that provide massage on your feet. Acu nodes on the bottom apply pressure to acupoints on the soles to effectively reinvigorate you with added comfort. The ergonomic outline fits feet well and helps prevent water from splashing. Its non-slip rubber foot stands maintain the stability of the salon foot massager while in use. Furthermore, it has a small removable case set in the inside of the massager, which spa materials like bath Epsom salts could be put for a better foot spa. Comparable to an authentic one, totally relaxing you and soothing your mind. Number 3, we have the MaxCare Foot Spa. Currently at $60 and the heating element of this foot bath massager heats and maintains water at a selected temperature of 95 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. You can roll feet back and forth on 4 pairs of massage rollers that are dotted with acu nodes, following sole reflexology for deep massage, which stimulates pressure points and dredges meridians to improve metabolize and sleeping quality. Also adjust intensity and speed by changing the way you roll, and the rollers can be removed when necessary. Its stylish digital display comes with indicator lights that help track working settings of the foot spa massager conveniently and visibly. Control and adjust all functions with a simple touch of 4 marked buttons, making your at-home pedicure easier. Further, distress by placing spa materials inside the built-in small box, bringing the wholeness between soul and body. Plus it is powered by 500 watts with overheat protection and FDA approved, leaving you with peace of mind. At number 2, we have the Conair Foot Spa. Price at $25, the toe touch control of this foot spa makes it easy to activate massage intensity. Foot massage attachments and vibrating nodes in the foot spa provide extra foot massage action for a more profound full foot massage. Also, the deep reservoir of this massager allows you to fully immerse your feet, massaging both the top and bottom of your feet. Whether you want to soak in cold, warm or hot water, this foot spa is uniquely designed to maintain the temperature you choose. The textured bottom massages feet as you soak, and the vibrating foot massaging nodes add more massage intensity for a deep penetrating foot spa massage. With the soothing vibration massage from this massager, your feet will also always be ready for rest and relaxation. The last product on our list is the Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Currently priced $24, the massage water jets and raised nodes of this massager work to revive your feet by gently massaging and soothing your tired, overworked feet. Pamper your feet and shape them to perfection with the included callus removing stone. Also, it is designed with an integrated splash guard that helps prevent splashing and spills. It comes with a convenient toe touch control that allows you to adjust the jets and temperature with your toes without having to reach down to adjust them. However, you can immerse your feet in invigorating bubbles for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. On the other hand, this massager is perfect for use before a relaxing bath to give your feet the extra attention they deserve. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.